Hi, today in this video we are going to discuss Mitsunobu reaction and Mitsunobu lactonization. In this we are going to discuss reaction and its mechanism, and we are going to see some examples, and we are going to solve some previous year questions. Before starting, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel to get notified. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Let's begin. The Mitsunobu reaction. The Mitsunobu reaction has the starting material, which is an alcohol. We are adding dead means diethyl azo dicarboxylate in presence of an acid. We are adding PPH3 and nucleophile is added here. Here the inversion of geometry occurs. If the starting material has the alcohol which is in wedge, it will be converted into dash and vice versa, and the byproduct is phosphine oxide, which is triphenyl phosphine oxide. Let us see the mechanism. Dead means diethyl azo dicarboxylate. This is the structure of dead. We are adding PPH3. The PPH3 is added to this nitrogen, and this bond, double bond, will migrate over here and forming here the double bond. Then it will move here, forming O minus. After that, we are adding acid, which is H plus. This double bond will abstract this proton, and this O minus will come over here, forming the double bond here. After that, the starting material, which is an alcohol, is added to this PPH3 plus. After that, this bond will shift over here, and this bond will shift over here, forming O minus here, and here the double bond is formed. After that, this O minus will come here as double bond, and this one will abstract this hydrogen, and this bond will migrate over here. This positive charge will be neutralized, and this product will be obtained. After that, we are adding nucleophile here, and this is the structure formed here. The SN2 displacement reaction occur here, which is inversion of stereocenter, is the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. Here the starting material has the wedge projection. This will be converted into dash projection and leaving triphenyl phosphine oxide. See, this is the intermediate. We are adding nucleophile. This is the interconversion of stereochemistry, which is in wedge will be converted into dash. Here these are some of the nucleophiles. This will be converted into these structures. This is the carboxylic acid. This will be converted into wedge projection, O double bond OR, and this is HX. This will be converted into this X, which is a nucleophile, which may be alkyl halide, halides like chlorine, iodine, bromine, etc. This N3, which is a nucleophile, will be added here as N3, which is in the inversion of stereochemistry, wedge to dash. Then carboxylic acid is used as nucleophile like this. A simple ester hydrolysis releases the alcohol, providing an inversion of alcohol stereochemistry. Here this is in dash, this is in wedge, will be converted into dash. This ester, if the carboxylic acid is the nucleophile, this ester will be formed. After the hydrolysis, the alcohol, the inversion of stereochemistry in the SN2 reaction can occur. This is the example which is taken from JAX. You see here, this is the starting material. We are treating with the diethyl azo dicarboxylate, PPH3, and this is an acid. We are adding NaOH, which is OH minus, is a nucleophile. This OH, which is in wedge, will be converted into dash. The mechanism seems like complicated. The reaction seems to be simple. See, this wedge will be converted into dash. That's all. Let us see another example. This is the starting material. The alcohol is present here. This is the nucleophile. We are treating with diet. Dead means diethyl azo dicarboxylate. Diet means diisopropyl azodicarboxylate. We are adding PPH3, the THF which is a solvent is used here. This nucleophile will attack here, forming this product. If this is in dash, like this dash, here this will be in wedge, and vice versa. This is taken from tetrahedral letters. Let us see some other examples. This is taken from NET June 2015. This is the starting material given. Here you see alcohol which is in wedge. We are given with PPH3 and DET, diethyl azodicarboxylate. The nucleophile is 2-iodophenol. We know that if DET PPH3 is here, this is the Mitsunobu reaction. Mitsunobu reaction. This will convert into, this wedge will be converted into dash, and 2-iodophenol structure is this one. This H is replaced by 2-iodophenol. That's all, very simple reaction. You see, this is the question which is taken from GATE 2009. The question is, most suitable reagent combination to bring out the following reaction is. This is the starting material, this is the product, they are asking the reagent. These are the options given: PHCOCl and pyridine, DCC and PHCOOH, PHBrCO and PD PPH34, DET PPH3 and PHCOOH. You see here, this is in wedge, is converted into dash, which means this is the Mitsunobu reaction, and the nucleophile is added here, which is PHCOOH. This is the nucleophile. Then the answer is option 4, diethyl azodicarboxylate, PPH3 and PHCOOH. This is the nucleophile, and this is the reagent for Mitsunobu reaction. The correct combination of reagents to effect the following reaction is. This is the question given. Starting material is this one. They are asking the reagent, and this is the product. These are the options given. One is POCl3, pyridine, AgOAc and lithium aluminum hydride, NaBH4, PPH3, DET, PHCOOH, PPH3, DET, PHCOOH and lithium aluminum hydride, and PCC, Ll selectride. You see that this alcohol which is in wedge is converted into dash here. Then it is the Mitsunobu reaction. Mitsunobu reaction. For that, the reagent is, there will be compulsorily DET. In two options there is DET, so you can cancel out 1 and 4. We are left with 2 and 3. If you take option 2, NaBH4 is given first. So at first this one, this CHO is converted into CH2OH. After that, this PHCOOH is added. So it will be O this will be here. So the product is not correct. If you take option 2 is wrong. If you take option 3, the first, it will PPH3 DET is added here. So we can do this one. O, double bond O, PH, CH2. Here the CHO will be present. After that, we are adding lithium aluminum hydride. If we add this one this CHO will be converted into CH2OH, and this will be converted into OH. This will be converted into OH, forming this product. So the correct option is option 3. The Mitsunobu reaction happens, after that reduction happens. This double bond is also reduced if you use lithium aluminum hydride. This one also reduced. This is the example which is taken from tetrahedron asymmetry. This is the starting material in presence of dead PPH3, diethyl azo dicarboxylate PPH3, and this is the nucleophile. This is the nucleophile. If you see dead and PPH3, this is the Mitsunobu reaction. This OH which is in wedge is converted into dash, and this is the nucleophile. O double bond O pH is added in the trans geometry. If it is in the wedge, it will be in dash, so it's the Mitsunobu reaction. Mitsunobu lactonization. This is the reaction. This is the starting material which is an alcohol. We are treating with dead PPH3. The solvent used is THF. What happens in the product is this one is converted into dash projection. You see here, this is converted into dash, and this COOH is converted into C double bond O. This is the Mitsunobu lactonization. Let us see the mechanism. Diethyl azo dicarboxylate, this is the structure of dead. As in the same Mitsunobu reaction, the PPH3 is added into this nitrogen and double bond shifts over here, forming O minus. After that, this is the starting material. This bond abstracts this proton, and this O minus will come here as double bond O. After that, this is the starting material. The double lone pair of electron will abstract this PPH3 plus. This bond will shift over here, forming a double bond here, and this will come as O minus. After that, this double bond will abstract this proton, and O minus will come here as double bond. This is the final product. We are adding the starting material which is a nucleophile here. After that, the SN2 displacement reaction, inversion of stereocenter. Here the OH which is in wedge is converted into dash is happened here. After that, this COOH is converted into C double bond O. This is the SN2 displacement reaction. Here in SN2 stereochemistry, the stereocenter will be inverted and leaving behind the triphenyl phosphine oxide. The mechanism seems to be little bit complicated, but the reaction is very simple. Let us see some examples. This is the starting material. We are treating with dead PH3. The solvent used here is THF. The molecule seems to be complex, but it's very simple. You see here the OH which is in dash, and here COOH is present. This dash will convert to wedge, and here this COOH will convert into C double bond O. You see here only this portion the reaction happens. This dash will convert to wedge, and this COOH will convert to C double bond O. This is taken from JAGS. This is another example. You see, this is a starting material. We are given with OH which is in wedge projection. The reagent used is PPH3 and dead. If you see this reagent, it is definitely Mitsunobu reaction. Mitsunobu reaction. You see here COOH is present and OH is present. If the COOH and OH are present, this is the lactonization. and if PPH3 and dead is present, Mitsunobu. If you combine this Mitsunobu lactonization, this OH which is in wedge is converted into dash, and this COOH will convert to C double bond O. That's the product is obtained. This is taken from organic letters. Mitsunobu macrolactonization. This is the macrolactonization. This is the macromolecule. Here COOH is present and OH is present. Here the wedge is converted into dash. This is the solvent used, and diethyl diazo dicarboxylate, diethyl azo dicarboxylate, and PH3P is added here. This COOH will convert into C double bond O, and this will convert into dash projection, and O will be there and bond will be there. Thus this is the product. This is the Mitsunobu reagent. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned until the next video. Like this video, share and subscribe. Have a good day.